Softgloss Max 5. Ryko. I need to cancel that. Yeah, I need to click cancel.
Yeah,
Select the
fine.
basic. Okay. Just okay. Oh, there's the package. Look at the basic. Yay, works. Somebody forgot to pay there. It's okay. It says Wyco.
They do undercarriage and it's only $10.
To me,
On a basic.
it was backwards too. It was backwards on the wash media. It's Wyco on it. It's not. Started at. Ooh, triphone. Give us triphone. I realize it's from basic. Now it's mincing. Now it's clue coat. Now it's clue coat. Yay. This is clue coat. It's a basic.
Not bad for a basic roll.
It says clue coat.
Yeah.
Basic. Still got a triangle. And it's mincing.
It's about rear.
This is Nope, it didn't say spot fragrance yet. It says rinsing still.
Alright.
And there's the wash builder right there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a wash builder there.
Okay.
They might have they might have an old time-wise car wash menu.
Could be.
Yeah.
Could
Says spot fragrance already. Spot fragrance. It's pretty weak rinse.
It's not bad. Good job.
Now it's got the go light. Drive very slowly. Do not back up, please. Don't back up.
Good. Yeah.
And there's a wash builder exit light right here. And there's an emergency stop button too.
Yep. Not pushing that.
Nope, there's the owners will have a wash builder too. There's a ryko wash builder. Nope. There you go.
Not bad.
The vibration.
Decent